About blood clot time, right? I got pissed and I started hammering the fucking castle nut. God damn it, boy. Fucking bullshit. Come on. Come on, you gonna get on there, bitch. You ain't gonna fuck with me today. You ain't gonna do it. Yeah. That's because I beat the fucking nut, which I was trying not to do, but the shit pissed me off and I had to do it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes, bitch. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Yes. Cascadia. Cascadia. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, pussy wall. Cascadia bomba clap, mother. Ah. Whew. We did it, Joe. I had to do my victory dance. Woo! I did it. Okay. Victory dance over. Now let's put this little bitch in there. Come on, little bitch. Time to go in.